brother, and he's going to be drawing with us today. So today we're drawing this bulldozer minus the A plus and the dope things. He was the one who did the A plus. I have no idea why, but that's what he did. So today to draw this, you're going to need something to draw on, something to draw with, and something to erase what you draw. If you mess up, whoa. Excuse me. So let's get started. So we're going to do the rectangle, and you want to do it close to the side and not too long, so you are able to do this part. So this is what mine looks like, and Josiah's in the middle of drawing his.
No, I messed up.
It's okay. So he messed up, so he's just going to erase and try again. I'm going to wait for him. Okay, stop. Perfect. So here's mine, and here's Josiah's, and it looks completely different, but that's A-okay, because what do I always say, Josiah?
It's okay that you mess up.
Yep, and drawings aren't going to look the same, so, yeah, we're a bunch of crazy siblings. So, anyway, so now we're going to do the cat part so that he's in. So I'm going to do mine purple apparently. So you're just going to do a box. Really easy. Okay. So there's Josiah's. It's more like a rectangle on top and a square on the bottom. Kind of funny. But that's okay. That's
Wait,
okay.
you put it upside
It
down.
was upside down. And this is mine. Okay. So then what we're going to do is we're going to draw. So first we're gonna draw like 2 lines right here.
2 lines?
Wait, up there. Or you can do that. He did antennas. So, draw like boop boop. So he's working on that. Good job. So that's like your steering wheel thingy. So there's his. And here's mine. Okay, then you're going to draw a person, which is just a head, a body, legs, arms and arms. So a head, and do a body, and then do some arms. Oh, and also add the dot for the eye and the smile. Okay, so this is what mine looks like so far. And Josiah, what did yours look like so far? Did you do it? Yep, this is Josiah's.
It can
Okay, next we're going to draw the wheels. So what you're going to do for the wheels is you're just going to do circles, and then you're going to do another circle in the middle. And that's yours. 1, 2, do another circle. Nope. Oh, okay. Well, now do another one. You do one in the middle of all of those. So here's mine. And Josiah's working on his here.
Wait, I wanted it to be a 5-wheel.
Okay, here we go. So he didn't want to put the dots in the middle, so he doesn't have to do that. Okay, so now we're gonna draw the big scoop point. So what we're gonna do. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a line up and another line up. Okay, so just do 2 lines like that. Okay, I know it looks weird, like the truck has arms. Okay, and then you're going to do like a giant scoop, and then for that you're going to do like triangles until
big teeth.
It connects. Very good, so this is mine. And this is Josiah's. You did good. So that's how you draw that. You can add details if you want. We're not going to today.
That means I'm great.
And so yeah, I'm hoping that he'll be able to draw and be a guest drawer with us. So we're gonna put our drawings together. I'm gonna put them together, and then I'm gonna show you. I want to compare them. Okay, so green is his, purple and blue is mine. Okay. Yep. So let me show you. Here's mine, and here's his. And if I bring it up here so you can see how they're different, it's kind of blurry. There you go. So You see how they're different. Hi, back again. Okay, so that was how to draw with Ruth Ann and Josiah, special guest. Silly, crazy siblings, like I said at the beginning. So yeah, I hope to see you again next time.
Boo boo. Hola.
I see you later. Bro,